everyone, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. I am filming a little back-to-back here. I just filmed this last week's video, but in today's video I am planning the week of May 20 to May 26. I can't believe it's pretty much the last week of May. I mean, I guess no, we got one more week, but I can't believe May's almost done. Anyways, so let's just get into this video. This week I am planning with Planner Kate's kit 623, and I have the sampler, and I've been wanting to use this kit all month long, and I've been holding off, and I think this week is the week it is, because next week I have a memorial one that I want to use. So, and then these are the full boxes, which are just so beautiful. I'm gonna see if I can incorporate them somehow this week. Sheet G, and then obviously my Erin Condren hourly strip dates. Sorry. I did just put in the appointment that I already had for this week, so I know about that. I have sheet D, but I like the extra labels here. I don't really use the checklist. I have the extra scripts, and then of course my ombre boxes and the sidebar. So before we get any further in, I did pull out, I tried to be productive and pulled out the week, what I think I'm going to use for the week. So I have these here, so I don't have to be searching for those. The pen that I'm using, and everything will be listed down below, is the Energel Senta, I think in the 5.0, and that's from Jet Pens. I love that pen. Tweezers are from Amazon, and then these two are from Jane's Agenda, the ruler and the scissors. And then my X-Acto knife is also from Amazon, that I will be using to cut up any wash or anything like that. So first things first, and let me put on my dates on here, and then I will be back. I am gonna pull these out my inserts so it makes it easier when I'm planning. Just got done filming the week prior to this, and then I'm filming this week because I figured since I'm already here, might as well do it, because it's already midweek, and if I don't get it done today, I'll be trying to struggle and get it done later. So hopefully this video can go up on, I'm thinking maybe Wednesdays will be my new plan with me for that week, because Mondays I have class, or technically I don't have class, but I am blocking it off so that way I can focus on class, like work, do homework and stuff like that, since my homework is due that Monday at midnight. Sorry, seems like everyone wants to send me messages. And so that's why I'm kind of like saying Monday. And then Tuesday, I don't really have anything going on. And so, or Wednesday, so that way if I can plan or film a video that Tuesday, even if it is a day into it, then maybe I can post it on Wednesday, or edit it that day, actually post it on Wednesday. Sorry, because I can't edit and post on the same day because I work. So if I try to stick to that 10 a.m. schedule, I wouldn't be able to do it that same day without like calling in or being in late to work or something, or waking up super early to try to do it. So, but just have to cut off a little bit there just to make sure these lay down, or they fit better. There we go. And then, and so it's been a very, so far, relaxing week. It's been an easy going back to school classes well, I mean, Monday really don't have class, and so that's been pretty good. And I can get home and kind of clean and do what I need to do, and then start doing homework. I'm gonna get started over here in my sidebar. And then Thursday, we've just been enjoying, or I've been having class, but they've been a shorter class time. They're supposed to go until 9:45, but they have not, which is totally fine. I'm not complaining. And so far the assignments that we're doing are pretty easy right now, obviously, because the big ones are coming, right? The big papers for English class. I think that's why I don't like English, because of all the paperwork and everything we need to do. And then I'm doing this backwards, so I'm hoping I am giving myself enough space here without having to remove these. If not, we shall see, because I normally start from the top and work my way down. Just a little bit up there. I'll leave that for now, but I think I'm gonna do, where's this one right here? Let me do this, just as decoration. It's kind of cute, something different. So I have this week, oh, I did this backwards. I like to do my to-dos up here, then this week. Because this is for dinners, this is to-dos that I need to get done, that I want to jot down, habit tracker, and then my decorative box. I don't want to cover this because I've been loving this font and this combination, and I'm hoping that I can get 2025s done, so that way those inserts are out of the way, but I'm slowly working on them. Like I said, these inserts are mine that I created for personal use, so they're not available for sale at this moment. I don't know if I will get them, if I'll ever post them for them for sale, just because obviously with anything homemade there's imperfections, but I feel like anytime you sell something, it should be somewhat very perfect, right? And while I like the paper quality that I'm using on these inserts, I mean, they work great for with Planner Kate stickers. The paper is resisting awesome when it comes to pulling pages in and out of my planner, moving things around. You've seen like my planner setups for the month. Sometimes I switch out of the rings that I'm in for new ones. I just ordered from Jane's Agenda my black ones, so I'm hoping they get here by next week, hopefully, if possible, before I film that video, but we shall see. And yeah, so, but it's just that fear of if they're not perfect or someone gets some, because sometimes with printing stuff, things can get unaligned. I did realize that with my printers, and so I don't know. I'm not trying to focus on making things to sell for now. I could put them up as a PDF file, and then that way obviously everyone that prints it would have to adjust their printing settings to make sure everything's aligned and whatever. But then I don't really want to have complaints that when they're printing, it's not printing correctly, because I realized with my printers I have to adjust the print setting. Like, it will not print properly if I just go click and print, and I have 3 different printers and none of them were aligned. And yeah, so it's taken me some time to learn the things, and I think that's just the only thing that I'm trying to figure out. But I do enjoy making my own for me, because it just makes everything so much easier, because it's made out for my liking, the way I like it. I don't have to worry about right now, trying to make them super perfect or this or that. They are perfect for myself, but I don't have to think about what the customer would want or what they think, or because I did at one point sell planner stickers, and I think I focused so much on trying to think what everyone would want on them and focus on that end, and instead of making something that was beneficial for me, and then I would have found the people in that area, you know, like Planner Kate, right? She designed things, I'm pretty sure, for the customers, but also for herself. What she thinks will be functional at that moment for her, and that's why she changes her layouts. And then I'm just going to put 2 half boxes over here, so that way it can make a full one for Friday. And sometimes I think we just think too much about it, and I did, and I just didn't feel, I loved what I was making, but I didn't love it at the same time. So now I just kind of told myself, create what I love, and then obviously I will find people that love what I like. And if I ever do decide to sell, if they love what I make, then they will buy, and if they don't like it, then they don't have to buy it, you know. But it'll be something that I really enjoy. And I'm not saying I didn't enjoy when I was creating my stickers back then. It's just that I felt like a lot of my sheets needed to have a lot of things that other people were wanting versus what I was wanting, right? I'm a huge fan of ombre boxes, and I have been since I started using them. So I could never create a sticker kit without those, if that makes sense. But I know a lot of people don't like them. A lot of people like checklists. So it's just that give or take, you know, like. But then I was like, and then I would create checklists because I was like, well, what about those people that want a checklist? You know, if they like my stickers and this and that. And so I think, and that's how I just ended up in that platform of, I was trying to create things for other people versus for myself. And that is what kind of made me be like, okay, I'm done. All right, I got too overwhelmed with that. And then I started school, I had a baby, a lot of things, you know, life happened. I got remarried, I gained a stepson. So a lot of great things obviously came from, I'm not complaining about my life, but it definitely did add some extra stuff. So that's why I was like, okay, I need to take a break, and I did. And now I stuck back to just buying planner stickers from someone who has the time to create them and can make them functional. Like Planner Kate, I really do like hers because she does create, she gives such a variety of stickers that just make it so easy for you to plan. So I am gonna do what I did last week. I'm just gonna put my homework that is due for that week, or yeah, that day, because it's the beginning of a new week. But for this class, by the time Thursday comes, it's already almost over for this class in my head. So I figured if I just do the homework that's due that day, then I can focus instead of trying to get it done over here and seeing how much I need to get done. So my homework is in. I have one more birthday, my goddaughter's on the 21st. If I remember correctly, that is what I have in my planner from last year, and I'm hoping that is accurate. And so I pulled out these little birthday ones, but I need a birthday script, so give me 1 second while I find one. Okay, where am I at? Right here. And then I'm gonna put these balloons right here. Wednesday, I need to do payroll. And then I'm just going to go through my weekly sampler wherever I placed it at right here. So paydays is on Thursdays. Then I pulled this one from the Coffee Monster Co. Very cute, you know, because it's always very exciting when it's payday. I'm going to put this daycare one down here just to reflect daycare is on Thursday. I'm not going to put groceries. I am going to put down pay bills in this lighter pink But I think I'm going to do that on the weekend because I've realized that I'm not doing them on Thursday because my husband, they switched his payday. We both used to get paid on Thursdays. Now he gets his check on Friday, but they don't do direct deposit, so we have to wait until Saturday. And so yeah, it's been a whole adjusting schedule. I put Luis's his 4th-month checkup, and then class. Okay, that's all that I have in my week at a glance for now. We have trash day on Wednesday. That is, and this week is a recycling week, so I pulled out the one with the little recycling. Wednesday is laundry day for me, because not laundry day, clean house day. There we go, because I like to take all the trash out on for Wednesday. Laundry is now on Thursdays. Thursdays. Oh my goodness, I'm all over the place. On Wednesdays. I just did those backwards, did I not? I don't even have a cleaning. Oh yes, I do have a clean one here. But clean house. Okay. The only thing that I don't like about the Coffee Monster Co. stickers is that her stickers are not on removable paper, so you have to be careful when pulling one out. I did email my lash lady. Hopefully she can get me in Tuesday morning for my lashes. If not, that's on me. Tuesday we also have daycare. Early release is on Wednesdays. Put that down. The kids are almost out of school too. This week and one more week and they are out. Vacation starts for them. I think that's it. That's all I have right now. But because I said I love these so much, I think I'm gonna put this one over here on the weekend, and this one right here. Depending, I might do this because Fridays we don't really do too much. There, just to kind of fill in the gaps a little bit. But I'm liking this. Trying to move some of these things out, but yeah, this is how this week is. My shades got stuck to each other. Hold on. So yes, so I'm really liking this. Like I said, I've been loving this new layout that I did for the weekly. And I love the paper that I found that I'm printing it on. I'm definitely, if I do ever decide to sell them, I am testing out the paper pretty much, so that way you guys can get good quality inserts if I do print them. Or yeah, print to sell, right? And they've been working awesome with Planner Kate stickers. I've been loving it. Sticker wise, sticker kits, we'll see. That'll have to wait because with school, work, and also having a side job of bookkeeping, it can be a lot. So I don't want to get myself too stressed out. But yes, this is how this week is looking. This is before the pan. Everything looks nice. A couple before the pan, right? But I like it. So thank you guys for watching my video. And if you made it this far, please give my video a like. And if you're new, welcome, and I hope you enjoyed the content, and subscribe for future videos. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. And we're close to almost hitting 100 subscribers. I think last time that I checked, I was at 79 subscribers. So thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. Really enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy this Plan with me as much as I enjoy planning with you guys, because to me planning is therapy, and I feel like I can talk and someone will listen without feeling like I'm talking their ear off, because I can't see your face expression. So but thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.